Have you ever tried to read a scientific research paper and had no idea what the authors were trying to tell you? It might not be you. It is likely because this research paper lacked context. If there is insufficient context around the results or the experiments in the paper, it makes the work that was done in that paper have less perceived importance for the reader. Because if the reader can't understand what you did, they are not going to give as much importance to your results. So what we want to do instead is make sure that our research papers have this context. When we have sufficient context, the reader is better able to follow the logic of our paper. They're able to see why we did the experiments that we did and why we didn't do others. In general, context is just going to make the readers more invested in your story. For more information on exactly how to add this context, please check the full-length video linked below.